YouTube family, welcome back to the channel. Welcome. Yes, we finished to see the easiest way to get a banker. So we're going to see how to win UK49 using date calendar. Yeah, or you can use the calendar to win 2 to 3 numbers. UK49. This is the fourth number. You can WhatsApp if you want to join your WhatsApp group, which joining if it's 100 rand and is once off. Thank you so much. Alright, so there is something I forgot to tell you guys. On the current video, we saw that when you multiply these two, they'll give you a banker. But look at here, we have a 60, because 60 is above 100. Above 49 you add 10 and you play that 6 and also you add 10. You can see 16, 19 you played. So this is something also you should know. 6 is 7. When you multiply is 14. 14 is sitting there. You can spin it to 41. Then you can also multiply this 14 by 28. There it is. So another thing, let me show you for example. All right. Example. Yeah, here. This one you multiply by 2, it's gonna be 96, which is 9 and 6. But this 48, you can still divide it by 2 to make it 24 or 42. There it is sitting 42. There is sitting 69, or you can play 16 and 19 as well. So meaning that in your pair, you should only pay these numbers in 2. So I was wanting to show this. And also look at here, is it 44 when you multiply by 2? You multiply the bonus by 2, get 44. When you divide it 11, it'll be, since 11 is sitting here, you just leave the 11. Then here again you can see 42. When you multiply, it's gonna be 84, right? And 84 is below 100. That's why we said we're gonna add 1 to get it a 49, because it's, when you spin 84 is a 48. But remember that also 42 can be divided by 2. That's how we got 21. So you will see, you can see that 2 numbers there. Mostly you will get 2 numbers, right? You get 2 numbers, right? All right. There's no way it's to. I was just looking into it, and then I thought that I forgot to mention this on a previous video. That's why. Now we're going to see how we can use the calendar and the win UK49. So we're going to the calendar. I hope you are ready to do it. So on here we are getting this one. The calendar, you will need to use 2 lines. So we'll check, for example, on 25th. We will use these lines. On 25th, we're going to use the date 25th line and the date 24th lines. Then you just play those numbers. All right? So in case you calculated your number and don't know how to choose, come here and choose your 2 numbers. For example, we have a 3, 4, 10, 11. On the 25th, let's see what they played on 25th. All right, on the 25th or 25th of August. So on the 25th of August, we have a 4, 11, 18, 25. So 4, 11 came on the lunch. and 25 came on T. 18 it didn't show up, right? Let's go. But if you multiply 18 by 2, you can see there is a 36. Yes, 36 came as 39. Now on the third, on 24th, we have a 3, 10, 17. 3 came on the lunch, meaning your three numbers, boom. 17 is always likely to multiply by 2, even 10 and 11. So you can see if you multiply 10 and 11, you have a 20 as well. So those are 4 numbers. And 17, when you multiply, is 34. Those are 5 numbers. 34 came on the lunch. Then 24 came as it is. Alright, so I'm gonna repeat once again. Right? Because we must understand this. The result of lunch on the 25th. I told you use the first 2 lines, right? So they brought us 4, 11, and 24 as it is, right? And the 3. So these are the number came without changing. Let's say that you play these 80 numbers. You can even include 31 if you want to. So these are 4 numbers came on the lunch. Then on T, they brought 25, right? Then 17 and 18, because these numbers are in the 10th, this number can still multiply by 2. We have a 20 and a 22. We have a 34 and 36. So they came at 36, they spin to 39. 25 it came on T, 20 on lunch, and 34. So meaning that all 6 numbers came from the date. Let's go. It happened most of the time. So on 26, we're going to use the 2. On 26, we have 4, 5, 11, 12, 18, 19, 25, and 26. So we still gonna use 36. We still gonna use this one as 38, and also this 19 as it is played on lunch already. So 19 came on lunch. Let's check what's happened. What? 19. Alright, so 19 is sitting there, even 16, right? Then on our date again, 25 and 20. Today we are checking which date. Are we checking it 26, right? 26. Oof. All right. So I don't know what happened on 26. So let's see. On the 26, we're gonna use this one. So we have a 4, 5. Then this number you multiply them by 2 because they start by 10, but also you can play them as it is. So we have a 22, we'll have a 24, we'll have a 36 and a 38, right? And that 25 and 26, you can still spin it to 29. Then you play those numbers as it is, and then you play in 2 numbers, 3 numbers, 4 numbers. So let's see what happened on 26, which was yesterday. Emia, what are you doing? So 5, we had the 4 and the 5. So since the 4 was there previously, we leave it alone. 5 is sitting there. 11 times 2 is 22, is sitting there. 19 times 2 is 38, is sitting there, right? Then you have a 19 as it is, and then you have a 38 as it is, right? So those 3 numbers lunch, 2 numbers on T. That is how it is. And yes, 18. Yes, Mama. Yeah, you can write. You can write. And 25 was previously, we leave it alone. And You are making noise. All right. So that is the date calendar. How to win a UK49 using a calendar, right? So that's it. Okay. For today, we're gonna use 27 and these ones, right? So you're gonna say 5, 6, 12, 13, 19, 20, 26, and 27. So we having 5, 6, we're having 12 and 13. 12 is 24, 13 is 26, 19 is 38. Right, those are the number. 20 is always a 40. You can also multiply it because they like to multiply. So those are the number you're gonna play, excluding the numbers which already came, right? These are the numbers, but you're gonna do exclude some numbers, maybe 1 or 2, then you play. So those are the numbers. On tea time 27 played yesterday. It can still repeat since it was a delaying number. 19 played, so we will remove 19 because 19 already played on lunch. Remember, 19 came on lunch, I think, and the spin, which is, yeah, 16, 19 came on a lunch. Then we had the 24 came also on a lunch. So we have a 19 and 24, or the 16 if you spin on a lunch. Then 26 when you multiply 13 is 26 or 29. They came on a lunch. So on a lunch we have 4 numbers. Then we're waiting to get 20, 20, 27, 5, 6. Wait a minute. Then 40 or 20 years on tea. So that is a strategy that you can use to win lunch at tea using a calendar. You go and download this South African calendar, then which look like this, which you put them on in the order, then use this number. Thank you. Bye bye.